Hi, this is Holly, better known as the Fingernail Fixer. Thank you so much for joining me today for this nail tutorial.
For this tutorial video, let's take a look at how you can really add some dimension to your stamping by using transfer foil. Start off by polishing the nail with 2 layers of your favorite gel polish, curing each layer. Then go ahead and apply a layer of top coat and cure the top coat. Once this is cured, use a 240 grit or higher buffer and buff off the shine on the surface once you've removed the top film with some alcohol. Removing the shine on the surface will make sure that only the area that you stamp is sticky so that your foil transfer will be very specific. Decide which stamping design you would like to add to your nail and pick up your design with a dark color so that you can see the placement easily. If you're stamping on a dark color, you could choose a light color so that you can see the stamp. So basically you're choosing a contrasting color to what you've polished the nail with. If you need any help with stamping or some troubleshooting with stamping, I do have some other tutorials for that, so make sure and look down the tutorial list. Pick up your design with a clear stamper so that you're able to place it exactly where you would like to put it on the nail. If you have any extra that you accidentally picked up, you can remove it with your swiper card by just pressing it onto the stamper and taking off the extra. Then align your design where you would like it on the nail. If the nail has a lot of curve or if it's really long, you may want to rock the stamper just a little bit to make sure you transfer the entire design. Once you've stamped your design with gel polish, cure that so that it will now have a top film or sticky layer. And using the transfer foil, just press and yank the foil right across your stamped design so that it leaves that nice shimmery look from the transfer foil. Apply some top coat to the nail and that will complete your design. This can be done over the top of any gel polish using any combination of colors or any stamping pattern that you like. And you can completely change the look by using different colors and different colors of foil. I hope that you found this tutorial to be simple as well as fun and that you enjoy doing it in the salon. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope that you'll give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, as well as check out the other Tutorial Tuesday videos. Have a great day.